Hey everybody, I'm Danica on the Coast, and I'm here today to show you a tour of this unit A500. This unit is 3 bedrooms plus a bunk room, 3.5 bathrooms on the very front of Waterscape. You're going to love it. Come on in. I'm excited to show you around. When you first enter this condo, you will find the bunk room. The bunk room has 2 twin beds, and we have a TV on the top and the bottom. We also have this nice barn door to keep your kids in their quarters quietly. The light switch for the room and the thermostat are sometimes hiding behind the door, so I wanted to bring that to your attention. Also over here, we have our broom closet with our air conditioner handler. There's a mop and a broom in there. I'm not going to really show you because I don't want you to be thinking about cleaning on vacation. Oh, and by the way, here's our washing machine, just in case you want to think about laundry on your vacation. We expect you guys will probably have a lot of people in this unit because it does sleep 10. So at some point, it's inevitable that you're going to do laundry, and we have a very nice washer and dryer for you to do that. This is our This is our half bath. And then you get to our kitchen. So an interesting fact, we are expecting a guest this afternoon. And so in this tour, you're going to get the rare opportunity to see all the wonderful things that we have put in for the guest. They ordered a grocery shop, so all of their groceries are already here waiting for them to walk through the door. That is a service that we provide. It's through my Rent Waterscape business. So I apologize for the diapers and stuff on the counter. That will not be here when you are here unless you order it. We have recently remodeled this kitchen with beautiful new granite countertops. We have updated the cabinetry and all the appliances. This is just a fantastic unit. And I'm sure that you have noticed the beautiful view, which if you're going to have to be cooking, at least you can have a great view doing so. I'm going to show you a couple of things inside all the cabinets just to give you a feel for what we have here. Up here we have nothing. That's the indication that you should put your things there. Oh, like she did. And down here we have a crock pot, a blender, a toaster, and a rice cooker. Over in this cabinet, we have some wine glasses and ice trays. We sort of have things labeled, but these things do move around from time to time, so it may not be exactly like this when you show up. We have a colander and lots of bakeware, measuring cups, a few little spices. Up here we have nothing. And over here we have all our dishes. Notice that we keep our cabinets very well stocked. As I mentioned, we are expecting several of you here in the condo, and we want to have plenty of things for you to use. We also have glass and plastic dishes because we have grills down on our pool, and glass is not allowed on the pool deck. So you can take our plastic dishes and go down and grill out with your friends and family and have a wonderful evening on the pool deck. I want to point out also we have a coffee pot and a Keurig. We have that in every unit so that no matter how you like to brew your coffee, we are ready for you. In the drawers, some of them are empty. Some of them have little odds and ends. Things like this are sometimes in a condo and sometimes not. If there's something that's very important to you and what you're going to need when you get here, then you probably just want to pack it. Here we have, it says cutting board, and the knob is loose. I can fix that real quick. It says cutting board, but I'm sure there's somewhere else. Here we have our mixing bowls. There's a grilling set down there, and then we have 2 tea pitchers back in there. Over on this side, we have our baking ware. There's our cutting boards, which I might as well just go ahead and move them over. This is the life of a property manager. This is a cool little thing. This is because this oven actually has an air fryer in it. So if you want to use the air fryer and make like some chicken fingers or some French fries, this has holes in it so that both sides get crispy. Pretty cool little thing. And we have some Tupperware in here. Under here we have a fire extinguisher and we have a toolbox. If something goes a little awry and you just need to tighten a screw or do something that's not too invasive, you're welcome to do that. You're also welcome to call me at any time. I can come by and fix most anything in the condo. This is our silverware. And then we have lots of utensils. More utensils. Let's see, now we have 2 grilling sets. And there's our mixer. Under here we have our pots and pans. We have Teflon skillets, which I do try to keep in good condition. And more utensils. I I cook a lot when I come on vacation. It's time consuming and expensive to take a large family out for dinner, so we try to have the kitchen stocked so that you can make any meal that you need. Now I'm going to take you into our guest bedroom. This is a king size bed, and we have access to the patio. One of the great features about the 3-bedroom front row units is that all of the bedrooms have private access to a patio. We are going to talk more about the patios in just a few moments, but I just want you to be able to see the beauty of this room. I'm going to tell you a little bit about some of the things in our closets. I'm not going to open the closets because things move around and I don't want you trained thinking that something is supposed to be right there, because next time it may be over there. We have a pack and play and high chair in every closet. We also have a fan and an air pump, board games, linens for the sofa bed, extra blankets, extra pillows. The pillowcases are wrapped up inside the sheets. So a lot of people say we don't have pillowcases, but that you do. They're just wrapped inside the roll of sheets. I also want to let you know that we subscribe to premium beach service. So that's 2 chairs and an umbrella set up for you on the beach every day of your stay. The premium is that we also get a kayak or paddleboard for 1 hour of your stay every single day that you're here. And all that is free. It's already included in your rental amount. So you can just go down to the beach and tell them your unit number, and they will set you up with 2 chairs and an umbrella on me. You're welcome. This is our bathroom. All of the bedrooms here have a private bath. This one has a walk-in shower and a single vanity. Now we'll go check out the next guest bedroom. This is a queen size bed, and as I mentioned in the last room, this one also has access to the patio. Beautiful views to wake up to. And you will also find this cute little bathroom. This one has a tub shower combo. And now we'll go to the master. The master bedroom has a king size bed. It has a great big patio window, and this is the only room that has access to the east side patio. We have smart TVs here and in every room. It's just a really nice space. And if you come this way, you will find our master bath, and it's a really large size where we have double vanities, a garden tub, and a walk-in shower. And over on this side, you will find our toilet. And we have some little shelves over here for you to store some of your things in. Now let's go check out that view. I didn't really mention the dining room area, but it's fairly self-explanatory, I think. So this is our living room. This is a sofa bed, so we can fit 2 more people here. We got rid of our love seat and got these beautiful new chairs. They swivel and rock. They're super comfortable, and you can kind of move them around the room however you want to. So we did that so that you would have the most flexibility to seat your family however you want to. Let's go outside and check out that view. So this is our east side patio. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful outside today. We got some teenagers out here playing volleyball, which I absolutely just love to see that. People out on the beach, being active and having a great time, making memories that will just last forever. If you look down a little farther, you'll see our pier. That's about a 1/4 mile away. It's a quick little walk. It's $2 to go out on the pier. You can fish there. You can actually rent fishing poles and buy bait right at the front of the pier. It's very affordable. And don't worry if you don't have fishing experience. Just throw your bait on the line and throw it out there. If you catch something, everybody is going to run over to you and help you get it off the hook. And some of the local fishermen, if it's something real good, they'd probably be willing to take it home with them if you didn't want it. So when someone comes to help you, just say yes and allow them to help, and you'll have a great time. This patio has 2 loungers and 2 seats. We also have a deck box that's filled with toys, so you don't need to bring anything from home. We have toys, floats. We often have boogie boards in there. There's plenty of stuff for your kids to play with. It's all right here for you. Let's check out the other side. Welcome to the west side. So the beauty of 2 patios in this unit is that you get to see the sunrise and the sunset. And only the front row units offer that. It's a huge benefit being able to see down both sides of the beach. This unit has a seating area for 6 people. It has 2 loungers, and you're overlooking the pool deck. And we're going to talk about that too. You can see our lazy river, our 0 entry pool, the tiki hut. We have a lily pad course and a big waterfall down there. There's the gym. You can, where the windows are, you can't really see, but that's the gym down there. And then on the upper level, we have a heated pool, and there's lots of people in that today. We have an elevated sun deck, and then beyond that, which is very difficult to see, we have a toddler splash pad with a water slide. There is something here for everybody to do. I also want to talk about some of the activities that we have on our pool deck, because not only do we have the best pool deck in Fort Walton Beach, we have lots of things that really make it come to life. So once a week, we have a movie at the pool. We have a rubber ducky race through the lazy river. You can buy duckies for $1, and you get cash prizes if you're one of the first 5 duckies across the finish line. We have a pirate show once a week. We have a weekly glow party with a DJ, and it's at nighttime, and all the kids bring their glow sticks and their glow hats and wands, and they come down and just dance and have a good time. You're welcome to buy those on the pool deck as well. They're very affordable. We have things like scavenger hunt. We have beach bingo, poolside bingo, and it's all free. And then we have some activities that do cost a little bit, like Build-A-Buddy, which is sort of like you build your own teddy bear. We have hair wraps and airbrush tattoos, and those things cost a little bit of money as well, also very affordable. We also have grills, as I mentioned earlier. We have grills all down by the pool, so you and your family can grab a grill some burgers or some steaks, and the kids can swim, and you guys can just get one of the little picnic tables down there and just have a really great time. Waterscape is such a family place. It's just amazing. And once you get here, we pride ourselves on, you really don't have to leave the resort if you don't want to. There's something different to do here every day. Oh, and don't forget the beautiful beach. This unit is just so pretty. It just feels like, with you being right here on the front, it just feels like you're sitting on the beach. So if you don't want to get sandy, or you feel a little sluggish about hauling all your things down there, no worries, just stay right here on the patio. Thank you so much for coming on my tour today. I hope you loved how I took you through the unit, and I hope that you liked some of the things that you saw. I'm Danica on the Coast. My website is www.rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon.